Hi everyone, we back again. It's been some time, and the time that the last year and a bit I've had a child. He's now 2 years old. That process took a bit of time out of my schedule, and I also moved countries. But without further ado, I'm starting a new series. And it's going to pretty much revolve around general infrastructure for enterprise networks on a more traditional level to start with the focus of it being in automation. So the whole, basically, Azure pipeline, getting an agent onto an environment that can execute Ansible playbooks and to build the infrastructure based on playbooks primarily. So without further ado, let's get started with the first task. Okay, so step one, there's been a lot of videos on how to create yourself an Azure DevOps account. I'm not going to cover that. Create your own organization, and I've also already created a repo. As you can see, the repo is empty with basically nothing inside of it. So we're going to add this repo to the VS Code, Visual Studio Code. There's also a bunch of videos on YouTube in terms of how to install VS Code, and I don't think that's very difficult or really needs a video. Okay, so first thing to do, let's go and clone. So let's clone this, clone in VS Code. Open VS Code. That's interesting. There we go, that's better. Select that. Okay, as you can see, add to current workspace. Yes, I trust the author. I am the author. Oh, it's like just tube. We'll fix this in a bit. Okay, file, save current workspace as. Just I want to refresh this actually, but let's see if it comes back. No, it definitely doesn't. Okay, it's not really important. We're not really going to work there. We're only going to work in this section. So close here. Now that you see, okay, we've got our file across. If I want to go and add data to it, I can edit a file or I can create something. It shows me that this is now an unstaged change that hasn't been synced with the repo. So I can just come here, say I am adding data, and I can commit it. And when I read the file here, sync, there is the 1, 2, 3 that I just added. Okay, so that's working. This is going to be important for later on. Okay, so the next thing we need to do is we need to create a VM, a box basically that's going to do all of the work for us.